Bilbo Baggins, in The Hobbit, faced many difficult decisions on his journey to the Lonely Mountain. From deciding to leave his comfortable home in the Shire to choosing whether to confront the dragon Smaug, Bilbo had to make tough choices that would ultimately shape his fate. In the same way, we all face decisions that can have a profound impact on our lives. Fortunately, there are practical ways to improve our decision-making skills, and books can be a great resource for learning those skills. In this video, we'll explore 5 books that offer practical advice on decision-making to help you make better choices in your own life. Let's dive in. Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This book provides insights into how our brains process information and make decisions, and offers strategies to help us overcome cognitive biases that can lead to poor decision-making. Tips: take time to consider options and seek out different perspectives to make more informed decisions. Nudge, Improving Decisions About Health, Wealth, and Happiness by Richard H. Thaler and Cass R. Sunstein. This book explores the concept of choice architecture and how small nudges can influence our decision-making in positive ways. Tips: set up your environment to encourage better decision-making and use positive reinforcement to encourage good habits. Crucial Conversations, Tools for Talking When Stakes Are High by Kerry, Patterson, Joseph Grenny, Ron McMillan, and Al Switzler. This book provides advice for how to handle difficult conversations and make better decisions in high-stakes situations. Tips: practice active listening, focus on common goals, and be willing to compromise. The Art of Possibility by Rosamund, Zander and Benjamin Zander. The Zanders argue that our mindset and perspective have a powerful impact on our decision-making. By cultivating a possibility mindset that focuses on opportunities rather than obstacles, we can approach decisions with greater creativity and optimism. Tips: stay open to new ideas and approaches, and view setbacks and challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Decisive, How to Make Better Decisions in Life and Work by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. This book provides a framework for making better decisions and avoiding common pitfalls. Tips: widen your options, reality test your assumptions, consider the consequences of your decisions, and prepare for unexpected outcomes. Hope you liked our book recommendation. Let us know which of these 5 books you want to read now. Click on the links in the description to get the book you want. Do you have other books to recommend that can help people make better decisions? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to receive our books recommendation, book review and more. Click on this video to read for 30 minutes. See you.